Ever feel like all eyes are on you, scrutinizing your every move? It's as if you're on stage under a harsh spotlight, with everyone in the audience judging your performance. This is an all too familiar feeling for those who experience social anxiety. But here's a comforting reality check. People are much too consumed with their own lives to notice your every action or decision. This is what psychologists call the spotlight effect, a cognitive bias where we overestimate how much others notice about us. Moving on, let's consider another root cause of social anxiety: a lack of confidence. If you're not investing time and energy into developing your skills or improving your physical and mental well-being, it's natural to feel insecure when you're around others. It's like stepping into a game without having practiced. You're bound to feel unprepared and nervous. Another contributing factor to social anxiety is the lack of real, face-to-face interactions. In this digital age, it's easy to retreat behind screens and avoid real-world socializing. This safety shield, however, can make in-person interactions seem more intimidating than they actually are. Now that we've identified these root causes, it's time to discuss the solutions. The first step involves changing your perspective. It's essential to remind yourself that you're not under constant scrutiny. Everyone is too busy dealing with their own challenges to pass judgment on your every move. By shifting this focus from others to your own journey, you can alleviate some of the pressure. Next, make a conscious effort to invest in yourself. This can involve a range of activities, from hitting the gym to picking up a new skill or even just taking care of your physical appearance. These steps can work wonders in boosting your confidence, making you feel more secure and reducing feelings of anxiety. Finally, practice makes perfect. Start with small, manageable interactions like a chat with a neighbor or a call to a friend. The more you engage with others, the more comfortable you'll become, gradually reducing the fear and anxiety associated with social situations. In conclusion, remember that overcoming social anxiety is not an overnight process. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort, but by understanding the root causes and actively implementing these solutions, you can start to make real progress. You're not alone in this journey, and with the right strategies, you can navigate social situations with confidence and ease. As always, stay tuned for more insights and don't forget to subscribe for regular updates.